The homeowners hired my firm to help them with this new home that they purchased. It's a family of 4. They have 2 older girls in university, and they love to entertain, and they have the most adorable dog. They brought my team in to help them update the home. It had beautiful bones and very classic details, but we wanted to modernize it a little bit, add some more interesting touches to the space, and add definitely some of their personality with a lot of custom specialized pieces. Upon entering the home, you have a beautiful large foyer. There's gorgeous marble inlay tile running all the way through to the back of the house. On the left of the entry, you have a beautiful office that we've done a great update to, adding a lot of texture and warmth with the furnishings. One of my clients works from home, so we designed the office special for him. We have some armchairs that are in a nice velvet with a brass tone to it. We have an oversized desk in a dark espresso finish. And then it has beautiful fireplace right when you walk in, which acts as the focal point for the space. And it's flanked by cabinetry on either side, which we styled with a combination of dark and light accents. You know, we really did achieve a more masculine feel in the space, but we still kept with the classic contemporary style of the overall feel of the house. The kitchen definitely being the heart of the home. It has a beautiful layout. You can see here the oversized island. We just resurfaced it with this beautiful marble countertop and this great charcoal black finish for the cabinetry. We highlighted it with polished nickel hardware and light fixtures. And the space features this statement range with the beautiful classic lines of the hood, the black range being a standout feature and color. You know, it really adds a luxurious feel to the space. There's an eating area, which is really helpful day to day. The family can eat more casually there. And it's a round table that we actually repurposed from their old home. And we put the great bench seat right in front of the windows that really frames out the space and brings your eyes out to the backyard. They have a wonderful butler's pantry that is super functional because it has a dishwasher and a sink and a bar fridge. And across from it, it has a walk-in pantry as well that has another fridge, which is great for entertaining, extra storage. And then it makes its way into the dining room. The dining room is a really special place for this home. We started with a beautiful custom area rug we had made. Because the room is square, we thought an oversized round dining table would be the best shape for the room. And we have lots of chairs that we had made in a beautiful soft fabric that has a little shine. And in the niche, we had a wonderful custom piece made that has a ridge detail on the front with brass inlay. So we combined different finishes in this space as well. Some of the brass, some of the black, and even some of the white in the light fixture. Open to the kitchen is this great family room. It works as a wonderful place for entertaining. Obviously, you can work from the kitchen island to the living space where you can see the TV. We had an oversized sectional custom made. It was a really great experience for the homeowners because they actually got to visit the factory that was making the sofa. So we made sure it was suited exactly to their comfort level. We were definitely influenced by the ceiling, which has a beautiful round detail to it, the built-ins with the curved top. So we wanted to make sure we introduced more curves with the round coffee table and some brass detailing on the feet. The principal bedroom we really transformed. It has wonderful vaulted ceilings, which really highlights the beautiful light fixture that we chose. We did gorgeous ripple-fold drapes, just in a soft white tone, which really brings the light into the room and softens the overall feel for the space. Again, we did a gorgeous area rug. It has a lot of shine and sheen to it with beautiful tonal textures that marries all of the colors in the space, the fabric on the bed, the fabric on the bench, as well as the pillows that we have on the bed. The ensuite bath has such a beautiful sight line as you're looking at it. It has the wonderful freestanding tub that's overlooking the backyard. There we added ripple-fold drapes as well that really finish off the space and makes the space glow. There's a his and hers sink on either side of the bathroom, and then there's a separate water closet and a separate shower, which is really nice to have those areas separated from the vanities. Who wouldn't want to come back every weekend from university when you have a bedroom like that? It's really a beautiful suite. It's feminine. We went with a bit of a vintage detailing on the mirror and light fixture. You know, we put a statement wallpaper on the wall that the headboard rests on, and we made it fun yet definitely feminine. Our whole concept for the home was to keep it really elevated, but without creating anything too strong and jarring. We wanted the whole home, as you walk through from the front door to the basement, to really flow and timeless, which you can see throughout the home.